everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me, and we're going to be tackling this room right here behind these two doors. And this is my laundry closet. I'm not going to call it a room because it's not big enough to be a room, but this is going to be my laundry closet, and we're going to clean it. First, before I open up those doors, I want to give thumbs up to all of my old and new subscribers. Welcome, and thank you for your love and support. Also, if you're just passing by, go ahead, click that subscribe button down below, like, share, and comment on my videos. And you guys, I tell you, I wish I had a bigger laundry room, but I got to make do with what I got. So without further ado, we're going to turn this camera around and we're going to look in this jungle. 2, 3. Ah! Scary, right? Yes, very. So I have to bag up because it's right behind my kitchen table. The hot water heater is over here. These some jugs that I use when I make my own laundry detergent. All of that. Then I have a corner over here full of stuff. And let me let y'all peek down here on the floor. Don't jump when you see it now, and don't holler. You might be checking. So let's see. Can y'all see it? See, all of this stuff got to come out. I've been saying I'm going to tackle this, and I have yet to do so. But I'm gonna throw away some stuff. I really am gonna get rid of some stuff. I'm gonna throw away some stuff, clean the shed, clean that. Gotta wash clothes in the process. I'm gonna wash off my washing machine and dryer. I'm gonna try my best to sweep and mop in the areas that I can. I would love to pull the machines all the way out and clean, but that's gonna be hard. They too heavy. On another day we may, when my husband be here to able to help me. I got these. I got to put these up in my bathrooms. Cause I use. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try to do this without blocking y'all view so y'all can see much. But now I'm finna clean all this stuff off, set it on my kitchen table. Let me show y'all what a man would do. Why would you leave this empty container? This is the best fabric softener. Okay, you guys, this is what it look like now. This here is some wood chips for when you grill. That's gonna go in my RV, and these gonna stay there until I put my bag holders up in the bathroom, and then I will remove this bin. Clorox there, that orange jug, because I still got homemade laundry detergent in there. And if you want to see a video of how to make homemade laundry detergent, just let me know. Leave a comment down below. But that's right there, all of this stand cleaning and hardware stuff and cleaning. I'm trying to use up all the cleaning stuff that I'm sorry, y'all couldn't even see it. But all of this is cleaning and hardware stuff. So I'm gonna go try to use up all my cleaning stuff that I have. Right now, I guess I'm gonna leave this lint thing right here because I put the used dryer sheets into that. This is why I keep my laundry basket, because so this ain't going nowhere as of for now. I was thinking about making this 3 laundry cloth baskets where I can separate them, but the washing machine and dryer been washed down, and my little checkered corner is clean. So that's gonna be, that right there is mortar for my tiles. So that's gonna be there until I finish my tile work in my kitchen and my